for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2024 Jeep Wagoneer in River Rock. With adaptive cruise control, active lane management system, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 13,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, second row heated seats, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, Hurricane twin turbo engines, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 110218.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.